Hello everyone, myself Sunita Chaudhary, Star Director from Guwahati. Today I would like to share some information about women hygiene. A modern woman undergoes a lot of stress and challenges in her daily life, at her workplace and also at her home. Vestige, in pursuit of empowering modern women with good health and better quality life, has come out with a fantastic women hygiene brand, that is Dew Garden. And under this banner, we have got three products: Dew Garden Intimate Foaming Wash, Dew Garden Sanitary Pad, and Panty Liners. Now, coming to the first topic, foaming intimate wash. Now the question arises, why should we, use an intimate wash? The intimate area goes through a lot of irritation, dryness, inflammation, infection, and hormonal changes, and that is why we should we should take special care and pamper and protect our intimate area. Now, most women believe that using soap or only water is sufficient for their daily intimate hygiene. But not soaps have all soaps have a pH balance ranging from 8 to 10, which disturbs the pH balance of our intimate areas. And the pH of our intimate area ranges from 3.5 to 4.5, and Vestige Dew Garden maintains the natural pH balance of our intimate area. Vestige Dew Garden Foaming Intimate Wash is a soap-free and alcohol-free solution with a pH of 3.7, which is ideal for any female intimate area. It contains the extracts of blueberry, sea buckthorn, and chamomile flower, which offer a pleasant and soothing fragrance with an odor block protection power. The next product I am going to speak about is the Vestige Dew Garden Sanitary Napkin. Now, a female, in our busy and stressful life, every month we have to take care of ourselves doubly. And an average female in our lifetime has an estimated 500 menstrual cycles. So, why do we use now sanitary napkins? Because it provides us comfort and safety. But WHO says that 62% of the vaginal problems are due to unsterilized sanitary napkins, and 75% of the females suffer from pain, itching, bad odor during periods. And it is all because of the chemical based sanitary products which you buy from the market, which are less absorbable, so it is full of bacteria. And this is where Vestige has come out with the Dew Garden Sanitary Napkin, which is an antibacterial with graphene anion and FIR technology. Now, it is a hygienic and antibacterial sanitary napkin that has an embedded graphene anion chip, which helps to prevent bacterial multiplication, eliminates odor, reduces menstrual cramps, and promotes comfort during periods. Now, graphene is a single layer of graphite, and graphene creates anions, means which produces negative ions which are positive to our body. Like when we are in the midst of nature, and this is, or when we go out in a place full of forest or scenic beauty, we really feel good. It is because of the presence of the negative anions that are there in our sanitary pad, which we believe it helps in the well-being during the periods, which helps in the blood circulation. Dew Garden Sanitary Napkins has 8 layers, and these are all cotton based. The first layer used is of surgical cotton. The second layer has the graphene anion chip, and it is very lightweight and can be used for a longer period. Whereas WHO recommends that we should change our pads every 2 hours. This is where the Dew Garden sanitary pad, we can use it, which is written also in our sanitary pad that we can use it as long as around 10 to 12 hours. And this helps that produce the during our menstrual cycle. It helps in the blood circulation. It helps in reducing the cramps. The last product I'm going to talk about is the panty liners. Now the panty liners is quite similar, in the manufacturing thing I'm talking about, it is quite similar to the sanitary napkins. And it can be used during the last days of our periods, also during pregnancy, and also it can be used during our regular days. It helps us to stay fresh day long. It's 100% cotton. Top layer keeps us comfortable and confident. And I'm just going to show you the products which I have spoken about. The products that I have talked about, this is the foaming intimate wash. It is one of the best someone can use it. This is the Dew Garden sanitary napkin, and this is the Dew Garden panty liner. It has got 12 panty liners in one pack, and it costs 175 is the MRP and 150 is the DP. Okay, thank you so much, friends.